Welcome to StemeXe for online training centers. Once logged into StemeXe, you will be able to navigate and access the online training center. I will be selecting a group which is meant to be an online training center. The feeds menu is composed of all announcements made by the admins of the training center. This is required to announce guidance instructions to the audience or announce for new webinars that's delivered in the training center. The library menu is a repository of different courses that's to be delivered in the training center. Each course has a brief description. Through selecting the course, the trainee will be able to read details about it, contact the trainer if required, and go through the educational material that's available for each course. The documents materials, for example, contain within a set of searchable PowerPoint slides to select and download. Note that slides and courses are all shareable through multiple channels. The requests menu will serve the trainees with the optimum quality of service. Requests may be related to the trainee requesting for a certificate or even explaining his absence to the trainer. The events menu announces for the trainees about future upcoming trainings. Details of the upcoming trainings include the start date, the start and end time of each day of training. The trainee can join the session if desired. Finally, the chat screen allows the trainees to chat with trainers or chat with the training center administrators privately. To log off, navigate back to the Feeds menu and click the back button twice.